Hello, how are you out there? I'm Cassie from Zappos.com, and this is the Pippa platform sandal by Dirty Laundry. This platform sandal has a single band wrap here that's made from this soft faux suede material. It's got some plush cushioning, so it's going to feel really good against your feet. The inside is made with this textile lining, and down here you have a molded stationary footbed. Just look at that, it's cork-like. It's gonna cradle those feet, give it a little arch support, and it's got a soft, super soft lining, so it's feel great under the feet. And let's check out this platform here, wrapped in jute. Give that cool casual look. I mean, you're gonna reach new heights in this guy. And it's all on top of a man-made outsole. The Pippa platform picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers the Pippa platform picked. Where's the peck of pickled peppers that the Pippa platform picked?